Hello.
And welcome to the Zanzibar experience.
We have just finished our 8 days in Zanzibar, where we went to 3 different places: Stonetown, Nungwi, and Jambiani. Thoughts on Stonetown?
It was a cool place. It was cool just wandering the streets. There's a lot of people there selling souvenirs. It's the sort of place where if you get bothered by people wanting you and trying to get you to come into their shop, you may not enjoy it. But as we were only there for a couple of days,
we handled it.
We just smiled, said no thank you after we got our initial crucial souvenirs that we get in all of our places. We just had to do a lot of no thank you, move on from there.
And then we went to Nungwi, which was up north.
Nungwi.
Cool place. Very lively, very happening.
I liked it.
Yeah. A lot of places along the beach where you can have a drink and have some food and watch the sun go down, which was nice. It was a nice atmosphere.
And the place,
busy.
The place we stayed in, McCoffee Guest House, I thought was awesome. It was basically this like compound area with beach in the middle.
Sand in the middle.
There's a sandy beach in the middle.
But no water, just sand.
Well, there was boats. Okay. Just to sit down and eat, drink, have food, and drink some drink. And it had a dartboard outside and a basketball hoop outside, which I proceeded to dominate Olivia.
And darts?
Yeah.
No, you didn't, I bet you. With the bullseye at the end.
But I gave you a head start.
Idiot.
A head start.
From Nungwi, we went down to Jambiani.
Jambiani was by far the best. It was, each place I feel like from Stonetown to Nungwi to Jambiani, it like stepped up a notch each time. And Jambiani was perfect. We loved it there.
It was really, really cool. The place we stayed, the beach, the people. It was a really good couple of days.
Yeah. And we went out on a like a traditional sailboat. It's a catamaran, a trimaran. The sail's made out of rice sacks, a couple of locals. The water is just incredibly blue, and you do a bit of snorkeling, and it was just a very cool place to relax. And the fruit tasting.
The fruit tasting. We did a couple of hours tasting all kinds of Zanzibar fruits, which was a very cool experience.
And cheap.
Really cheap. And so worth it.
And I climbed a coconut tree.
You'll see.
Did I climb a coconut tree?
You jumped on a coconut tree.
Did I climb?
I don't think you climbed. You jumped.
Did I do some
onto it?
Did I do some climbing?
Down.
Did I do some climbing on a coconut tree?
I don't know if you did. You jumped on it.
Did I start in one point and move higher?
But your point was the ground.
No, once I was on, you can be the judge for yourself. I may not have got far, but I still got places.
Enjoy our highlights from Zanzibar.
Me climbing the coconut tree.
Over here, everything is coming clear, and everyone gets lost until the day. Oh, we get wild over here. Don't want you to know or hear what I do when I hang out on the bay. Oh, my love, it's a wild road. here. She's a wild, oh, she's a wild one over here. She's a wild, oh, she's a wild one. And no, my love, it's a wild, wild road, road, wherever we go. And no, sweet love, she's a wild, wild one, got me losing all control. Oh, my love, it's a wild, wild road, road, wherever we go. And no, I cannot see, I wanna fly. I cannot feel, but I wanna try, I wanna try. I met you and I never will let you down. You're my queen, you're my love. I cannot see, I wanna fly. I cannot feel, but I wanna try, I wanna try. I met you and I never will let you down. You're my queen, you're my love, you're my everything now, 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 now. I cannot see, I wanna fly. I cannot feel, but I wanna try, I wanna try. I met you and I never will let you down. You're my queen, you're my love. I cannot see, I wanna fly. I cannot feel, but I wanna try, I wanna try. I met you and I never will let you down. You're my queen, you're my love, you're my everything now, 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 now. I cannot see, I wanna fly. I cannot feel, but I wanna try, I wanna try. I cannot see, I wanna fly. I cannot feel, but I wanna try, I wanna try. I met you and I never will let you down. You're my queen, you're my love, you're my everything now.
Coconut to everyone.